Happy Monday. I wanted to take a moment and give you guys an update. Want to let you know we hit our first fundraising goal of $50,000. If you remember a couple weeks ago, I made a video and I said, hey, our first goal is 50,000. And at the end, I said, if anyone wants to come in for the whole amount, give me a call. And guess what? Somebody gave me a call. And so they came in for the whole amount. So thank you, Thomas. And with that amount of money, we were able to put in our first order for our 20,000 units of the COVID Now kits. With that, we should be able to bring in a revenue of anywhere between $600 to $1 million with the sale of those 20,000 kits. And it's going to take between 8 to 10 weeks for that to be produced. And so we went ahead and pre-ordered them now, so in the hopes that it'll align with our FDA approval. So, because it takes some time to make, and I didn't want to wait until approval and then let's wait another 8 to 10 weeks to get our kits. So now we're hoping, or we are planning on that to align. So we are very excited about that. The 20,000 kits are in process and they're being made as we speak. So we're very, very excited about that. And so our next goal is $20,000. So goal number 2 is $20,000. So in the WeFunder Bank, we already have $16,500. So we really only need $3,500 to hit this goal number 2. And so what we're going to do with that goal, with that $20,000, is to go ahead and make some upgrades on the phone app. When we built it, there were certain things we decided that we could only do a basic build on certain components, but we already know things like security, and there's an AI technology upgrade that we already want to make. So if anyone wants to come in for that 3,500, so that we can hit goal number 2 and get that technology, go ahead and start building that technology out, give me a call. $3,500 away. That's pretty manageable to hit. Just imagine if we went live and goal number 1 and goal number 2 were already, checked off the box. I think that would be a fantastic fundraise. I hope everyone is doing well. Stay safe, and we will speak soon. Thanks again, and call me if you want to come in for that 3,500. Thank you. Bye.